You can personalize the listening experience for your AirPods in Settings. Here's how. We'll show you how to customize the settings for your AirPods Pro and the settings for your AirPods. Let's start with AirPods Pro. Place them in your ears or open your charging case while it's near your device. In Settings, tap your AirPods Pro when they appear. Here, you can customize features like renaming them, setting up personalized spatial audio, and more. While you're wearing your AirPods Pro, you can switch to a different noise control mode, switch between active noise cancellation, adaptive transparency, or off if you don't want to use either mode. You can also change what happens when you press and hold the stem of your AirPods Pro, so you can switch between the different noise control modes or activate Siri. To adjust these settings, tap left or right under Press and Hold AirPods. Then, choose an option. You can also select which modes the press and hold action switches between. And you can program each of your AirPods differently. For example, you can use the right for noise control and the left for Siri. When you're done, just press and hold the stem to perform the action you chose. Now we'll show you how to customize the settings for your AirPods. We're going to use third-generation AirPods, but this works with first and second-generation AirPods too. Place them in your ears, or open your charging case while it's near your device. In Settings, tap your AirPods when they appear. You can customize different AirPod settings, like renaming them, changing call control options, and more. If you have first or second generation AirPods, you can also change what happens when you double tap one of them. To adjust these settings, tap left or right under Double Tap on AirPod, and then select an action, like activating Siri or skipping to the next track. You can also select different actions for each of your AirPods. When you're done, just double tap it to perform the action you chose. And that's how to personalize your AirPods so you can listen how you like.